Hi friends! Today, we're going to dive into singular and plurals. Are you ready? Let's have fun counting and learning together. Singular means one, and plural means two or more than two. Bag, bags. Ant, ants. Ball, balls. Duck, ducks. Pencil, pencils. Tomato, tomatoes. Box, boxes. Bus, buses. Baby, babies. Leaf, leaves. Tooth, teeth. Child, children. Now let's see spelling rules for changing singular into plural. Most of the nouns we add only s at the end. The words end with y, we just add s. Some y we remove and add ies. Nouns end with ch, sh, x, ss, we add es. Some f we remove and add ves at the end. Bye friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.